Watch me. Yeah. We had the type of nights when it comes too soon. Another what to say. Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping all. I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long. Probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could burn something. Hey babe, so I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we are featuring Geeta Hair. Big shout out to Geeta Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have this gorgeous curly lace frontal wig. This is a 13x4. This is not a full parting 13x4. Take note of the parting space. She is 24 inches long and she is 250 density. One thing that I really like about Geeta Hair is they offer full density wigs, and they also offer the same wigs in frontals or closures. If you're not a frontal girl, you can get into these closures, and if you're not a closure girl, they always got a frontal for you. So did you hear when I said this was 250 density? Look at all this hair. This is so much hair. This is mad hair. Like, I love this. These are my favorite looks. So I decided I was going to do a center part because the hair was just so gorgeous. This is a thicker quality HD lace. Therefore, I am going to put the bands on this a little further into the video. And I'm going to try to leave this band on for about 30 minutes or so because you really, really need to push this lace into the skin to get the best results.
Think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do. He doesn't see her.
I'm going to use a few of the curly hair products that I always use. Highly recommend these products for the summertime if you're somebody that likes to wear curly hair during the summer. A lot of these products you can even use in your natural curly hair. So into these products, the links will be down below. So I'm going to wet the hair down and use a Denman brush to define the curls, just so that that water gets through, works its way through the hair. After I brush the hair out while it's wet with just water, that's when I will go in with the first product.
is what she looks like. This is 24 inches of hair, 250 density. I really do like these products because they keep the hair super defined while keeping it tamed, so you don't have to worry about the hair being too big or too much to deal with. Shout out to Geeta Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching another video. I'm gonna check out my Geeta Hair playlist because they be having some heat. And like I said, this is one of the few companies that you can get the same wig in a closure or a frontal. Like, I really loved it. Shout out to y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
You got issues that I've been mentioned for now, cause we're falling apart.